Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well today. Today I wanted to share with you these cute little bags that I've made from parchment paper. I guess they're kind of a take on the glassine bag. The glassine ones I guess are a little more see-through, whereas the parchment paper is a little bit heavier, but still you can see through it, but just not quite as well as the glassine ones. But the glassine bags I've heard can be a little more pricey to buy, and some people can't find them. I haven't been able to find any here, so I thought I'd try to make some little bags of my own, and I came up with these, and they turned out really cute. And then you can just embellish them however you like. As you can see, this one I've done stamped a coffee cup on there, and it says hello. And they're really cute. I just punched out a hole in the top there to kind of give a perforated look there. And so I'll show you the ones I've done here. So this is a bigger one with the coffee cup on it. It says just for you. And you can make these in any size that you like, just however you want to cut your parchment paper. I've done a few, just kind of random sizes here. And this is the parchment paper that I used. It's called Culinary Parchment. It's pre-cut sheets, and it's by Paper Chef. And I'm sure every, city has their own brand of parchment paper, different brands. But this one was kind of cool because it says Paper Chef, the art of cooking on it, but just very lightly. And I just kind of gave it a neat look. So yeah, whatever you can find, you could create your own. So then, let's see, here's two little ones I did. I put, used my punches and stamped on here, Life is Beautiful. I thought those are really cute. I did a couple with the stamp that says Home Sweet Home. I thought those were really cute too. And then I did some birthday ones. And here's one with some striped square cutout, and then a scallop punch on there. It says Happy Birthday that I stamped. And here's a couple other little ones that I stamped Happy Birthday. There's a little takeout coffee cup on there with put some stickle on there, glitter it up, and then this one says Happy Birthday as well. So that will give you some ideas, and I will show you how I put one together really quickly here. So like I said, you can make your bags any size that you like. Just cut your paper, measure it out the size that you want. And then what I did is I scored down about 1/8 of an inch on each side, on the long side, and folded that in. And then I scored a line across the bottom where I wanted to fold it up to make the bottom of the bag. So very simple. And then I just snipped these little corners here so that you just make for less bulk at the top of the bag when you glue it. So I'm gonna just take my glue now, and I did try using the sticking or tear and tape, but it didn't work so well. It wouldn't seem to hold on this type of paper. It wouldn't even really stick at all. So I gave up that idea and went to the tacky glue, which seems to be the best. I mean, this glue dries clear anyway, so it's not an issue. So I just take that, and then you're just going to fold up your sides here. Just kind of line it up as you go. Oops. Like this. And then of course you just wait a couple minutes for the glue to dry, but I'll do this quickly. So and then I take my scallop punch here and I put that in the top, and you don't have to go down too far, but just like so. Punch your little circle at the top, and that's really it. And then you can just embellish it. Add some stamps or some punch cutouts. Add some words, whatever you like on your little bags, and they're great for Happy Mail or to use in your swaps, or you just want to give someone a little gift, tuck it in with a card. They're really fun to do. So I hope you try that, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.